afternoon, everybody. Is it afternoon? Actually, it's not quite afternoon. It's still 3 minutes to 12. Whoa, good morning, everybody. Let's start again. So, this morning, I'm going to be thinking about some number, and we're going to be thinking about doing some counting. Now, remember, our special number this week is this one. Whoa, does anybody know what number that is? Hope you shouted at me. Yeah, number 17. So what we're going to do, we're going to start by just having a look at some numbers. Now, what we've been doing in class is we've been looking at numbers and seeing if the children can name the numbers, but not in order, so randomly. So I'm just going to go quick flash through my flashcards, and you're going to tell me what number. So, okay, everybody should be shouting 8, 15, 14, 11, 4, 10, 6, 1, 2, oh no, these are in order, 3, 13, 12, number 9, number 5, number 7, 19, 18, 17, 16, and number 20, and then back to number 8. So we'd like your children to be able to name the numbers, and then what you could do is then you could get them to order them. Now remember, these can be written, they don't have to be on fancy cards, you can do them on post-its or scraps of paper, that's fine too. Then what I'd do, when they've got them in a line, I'd be asking them, pick a number, what's 1 more than 4? What's 1 more than 10? What's 1 more than 20? Tease them as well. Also double, what if I'm on number 3, what's double 3? So remember that quick fire questions, those children need to be able to answer that to get our exceeding statement in the early learning goals. Also, counting accurately. Okay, I've still got children who count and put all of their little counters, and you can use anything for this. You can use pasta. I've seen lots of people being really inventive during lockdown. But remember to line them up and get the child to touch every one as they're counting. We call that really accurate, careful counting. So this week, I don't know whether you've ever been to Butlins, but I love Butlins. And they play bingo. I love bingo. Only because I like the prizes, obviously. So we thought you could play bingo. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a bingo card. So I'm going to just easy peasy on a piece of paper, I'm going to halve it, there we go, half, and I'm going to quarter it. And now I'm going to write 4 numbers in my squares, okay, in my quarters. So here I'm going to choose, but you've got to choose T numbers. So your child can write T numbers. So I'm going to go for 13, unlucky for some. I'm going to go for legs 11. See, you can tell that I've played bingo, can't you? I'm going to go for sweet 16. 1 and 6, 16. And I'm going to go, Miss Doty, what number do you want?
18.
18. 1 and 8, 18. Okay, so this is where your child will be practicing looking at the number, recognising it, and also being able to write it. Then you're going to get some number cards, or you might just write it on post-its. I did think you could write it on pasta. You could put it into a bag and you can take those numbers out. And obviously when your child gets 1 and 3, 13, unlucky for some, they're going to cross it out. Oh, I've got 1 and 8, 18. They're going to cross it out. And obviously you might play with all your family. The person who has them all crossed out is the winner, and they shout bingo. So just another game that you could play. Or you could actually, thought of another way, you could put your number cards all upside down and the child has to turn it over and say 15. Look at their bingo card. No, I haven't got 15. Turn another one over. 12. No, I haven't got 12. And do it that way. So it's just other different ways of your child practicing their T numbers. Remember, 13 and 15 are quite tricky. So I've been saying a little bit of a trick to my children. I think it just helps them to remember. I've been saying 3-teen. Oh, 3-teen means 13. So if that helps, good luck. Anyway, hope you enjoy your bingo. No prizes though, but there will be when you come back to school. Bye guys.